Looking for a house cleaning service in Ottawa that actually shows up, does the job right, and leaves your home spotless? Anderson Cleaning has been earning 5-star reviews from Ottawa homeowners for a reason. A lot of cleaning companies rush through the job. Missed corners, streaky surfaces, bathrooms that still don't feel clean, and zero follow-up when something's not right. That's not how we work. At Anderson Cleaning Ottawa, every clean starts with a walkthrough, so we know exactly what matters to you. Deep cleaning, regular maintenance, move-in and move-out cleans, office cleaning, we handle it all with the same attention to detail. Our Ottawa reviews speak for themselves. Clients in Canada, Orleans, Barhaven, Nepean, and across the city keep coming back because the results are consistent every single time. No cutting corners, no surprise charges, and real communication from start to finish. Whether you need a one-time deep clean or a weekly schedule you can count on, Anderson Cleaning makes it simple. Honest pricing, a team you can trust in your home, and a finish you can actually see and feel. If you're reading reviews for house cleaning in Ottawa, we'd love to earn yours. Visit andersoncleaning.ca or call 3433 3261 306 for your free quote today.